I'm Anisha, and this is the Mela tutorial for Swalla shoes for the feminine choreography, so it's more from the bride side that this would be done. So Swalla Shoes is a remix by Doctor's Remix of Swalla by Jason Derulo and Joothe Do Paise Lo from the HAHK song. And like I said in the other version of this song, the tradition in South Asian weddings where the bride side tries to steal the groom's shoes when they enter at the altar, and then the whole ceremony, the groom side is trying to steal them back, so that when the groom is ready to leave the altar at the end of the ceremony, he either has to pay the bride side for his shoes, or his groomsmen have to get his shoes on his feet so that he's able to leave without paying. And so that's what this song is about, and this specific tutorial is from the bride side. So it could be the bridesmaids, or the bride's sisters, or family and friends, all singing this to the groom side, saying, pay us the money first, and then we'll give you the shoes. And this would ideally be done during the Sangeet, because it would be done before the wedding ceremony. So have a lot of fun with it. So this is lesson 1 of Swalla Shoes from the bride side. And we're going to start off stage. This could be in a big group dance where you also have the groom side on stage and you're coming at them all from one side. If it is just from the bride side, then people can enter from both sides of the stage. So I'm going to start off on the left side of the stage. You're going to start when the singer starts talking about the men on the groom's side. And what you're going to do is you're going to walk on with right stepping first, and then your left stepping first. So it's just 2 steps, and it's pretty slow. And your hand, you're going to have your left hand out kind of in a fist, and you're going to step as if you are rolling up your sleeves, you know, like show how macho you are. So you're going to go 1, 2, 3, 4. Dulhan ke devar. So again, that's right stepping first. You're going to go 1, 2, 3, 4. And then you're saying, don't show me so much attitude. So your feet, your right foot's going to step out on the toe, and you're just going to swivel it as you hit your right hip out for 4 counts. So it's 5, 6, 7, 8. And your hands are flat palms, and you're just going to start at the top right diagonal, and you're going to go from the front to the back, or your left to right, and you're just going to hit on each of these foot hits. So you're going to go 5, 6, 7, 8. And you're basically trying to show them, like, who do they think they are, sizing them up. So together, walking on, you're going to go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now this repeats itself, and so the next time, instead of doing the rolling of the sleeves, you're going to flex like a bro, but you're making fun of them, right? So your face can show all this attitude of like, oh yeah, you're so cool and so strong. And everyone in the group can do all different poses, so do whatever you want. Like I think in the video, I kind of pose like this, and then I pose like this. Whatever you want for those 4 counts. So you're just going to go 1, 2, 3, 4, and then again you're going to do the swivel step, 5, 6, 7, 8. And so to review the whole thing, you're starting off stage, rolling up your sleeves. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Pose 2, pose 4, 5, 6, 7,